Alright guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R and I'm Miss R. If you would like to know how to make a pillow cushion for your patio furniture, then just stay tuned. Alright guys, well it's springtime and it's time to, be out in your yard. I love being in my yard. And I decided that I wanted to put a cushion on my patio bench. That's, my patio furniture. When I went to Big Lots, they had some, and, Menards and Lowe's, they have them. But I think it's ridiculous for how much they be charging for them. So, knowing me, and because I am trying to purge and declutter my home and things of that nature, I decided to try to make one myself. Okay guys, what I will be using today is the Dollar Tree pillow cover. Just a Dollar Tree pillow cover. Depending on how many cushions you will need, you will take your pillow cover and you will open it up and you have the pillow cover and it comes with a zipper. Now my patio furniture is black, so you can stuff this with whatever. If you have an old pillow around the house, use that. If you have an old pillow from a comforter set, use that. So we're just going to put this in here. Now that's one thing that I have plenty of pillows from just different projects. So we're going to stuff this pillow in there and we're going to zip it up. Now guys, from here you can do what you like. Now we have our pillow stuff, right? We have our cushions. Depending on how many cushions you need, that's how many cushions you will stuff. If you would like, you can sew here and attach these pillows. And how many other pillows you may need, maybe you'll need 3. And you'll have a seat bench. You can also spray this, since it's going to be outside, with some Scotch-Guard. Now, the reason why I'm not going to sew my pillows is because my bench, takes 3 cushions. But if I decide that I want to use my cushions like this and have it for a backrest like this, then I can do that. If I want to separate them and have them for a chair, I can do that. But even if I sew it even if I connect it and sew it going across, I'll still be able to bend it up for it to be a seat cushion if I need it to be a seat cushion. And you'll be able to lay it down to have a bench cushion. You can attach them or not attach them. So I am just going to use these cushions as a bench cushion. I am not going to connect them because I know I like to move them to my chairs and things of that nature. So we're just going to go outside, line this up on my bench, and we're going to see how they look. So if I decide to attach the cushions together, I can lean it up like this. But the back of my bench match my table, so I will just be going all the way across with the cushions. The fabric on these pillowcases they feel water resistant, but I would still spray it with Scotch-Guard because they're outside. So guys, that is it. This is an easy and an inexpensive way to make you a seat cushion for your bench for $3. Or to make you a chair cushion for either just the bottom of the chair or for the backrest. $2, guys, to make your own patio cushions. And the Dollar Tree also carry a runner for your table to match your cushions. Well, that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out, guys. Other than that, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.